Hello again, G-Acconners. I am back with another short video, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how you can bulk update invoices from Google Sheets into QuickBooks using G-Accon. So as you can see, you might recognize this template from the last video. We've got invoice IDs for everything. All of these invoices are set up in QuickBooks already, but let's say we would like to change some of the descriptions or just information involved in these invoices, and we would like that to update into QuickBooks. So I'm gonna go ahead with this first invoice. We will call it test 41. And you know, in the spirit of Thanksgiving coming up, I'm just going to put in some unique line item descriptions. We'll go mashed potatoes, stuffing, gravy, cranberry sauce for sure. And then we could do something else here. I know Halloween is long gone, but we'll put spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. So just for example's sake, to show you guys how this all pulls. So now we've got 4 invoices. You could do more if you'd like also, and we'd like to update them. So what we're going to do is first we're going to highlight. With G-Accon, you can only highlight the one column, and our software will automatically recognize that the information in those rows is what you would like to be updating. Highlighting the invoices that we would like to update, going to extensions, G-Accon for QuickBooks, and then upload accounting data to G-Accon LLC. Similar to how we uploaded invoices themselves into QuickBooks, but slightly different. And here's where the difference is going to be. So we've got row selection mode on, currently selected rows, awesome. And the QuickBooks object being invoices. Here's the big difference. Instead of the operation being insert, we're going to select update here instead. Great. And so we've got our first header cell in A1, and our results as to whether that update was a success or not will be showing up in column R. So that being said and done, I am going to hit execute and save. Let that load. Awesome. Scroll over to R. So awesome. This is exactly what we want to see. You can see the timestamp of when this happened. Was the operation a success? True. Created? False, because we're not creating brand new invoices. We're just updating them. So this looks exactly correct. What we're going to do now is these specific 2 first ones. I'm going to go ahead and click on this guy, test 41, and then we're also going to click on test 31 just to serve as a double audit of sorts and to show you guys how quickly, efficiently, and properly this pulled into QuickBooks. Nice and easy. Amazing. So we've got invoice test 41. Looking at our descriptions, awesome. They match exactly the descriptions that I just updated and pushed into QuickBooks. So as you can see, mashed potatoes, stuffing, gravy, got that right here. And then with our other invoice, we're looking for spooky, scary skeletons. Awesome. We got invoice number test 31, and we've got our spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. So as you can see, it's really quick and easy to update invoices in bulk from Google Sheets into QuickBooks using G-Accon. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more. Looking forward to talking to you guys again. Thanks.